Keep watching if you want to see how I went from this to this and then to this and finally to this.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow, sensitive, feel the afterglow, looking for things that I can't control, fear from my past cause it always shows.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. I'm Lyna Eleojo and we have a styling video, guys. In today's video, I'll be showing you all a very quick and easy way to style a sleek low bun on natural hair. So before we get into the video, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button right now and turn on your notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any content. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'll begin by removing this ouchless band from my hair. My hair is actually quite shrunken right now because I wore it out in an afro, then in a high puff before making this video. I'll be spritzing my hair with water just to get a little moisture into it. I won't be getting my hair soaking wet though, nah. I'm just trying to fluff out my hair here. You're gonna need two small ouchless bands, a brush, any gel of your choice, and a rat tail comb. Right now, I'm creating a middle part on my hair, but I'm not much of a stylist, guys, so this was a bit of a struggle, but we made it. Next up, I'll be going in with my Petals styling gel. Then I'll use my brush to smoothen my hair down on one side before going over to the other side.
I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive. I'll take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I'll fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing.
Using my small ouchless band, I'll be holding my hair in place as low as it can get. Sorry, I didn't show you guys a better view. Now I'll be going in with more gel to give my hair a more sleek and a firmer hold.
I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow
Then again, I'll use my brush to smoothen it all the way down on one side before going over to the other. After that, I'll use the second ouchless band to hold my hair down in order to give it a firmer grip. Instead of letting the ends of my hair out of the band, I'll make it into a bun. Sorry once again guys, I didn't show you a better view. Then I'll twirl the small section of hair I left out around my fingers using a little gel to just define my curls. Next up, I'll be laying my edges with my hair wax.
I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season. I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down.
Okay, so there are two sides to my edge brush. It has the brush side and the comb side. So basically, I go in with the edge wax using the brush side before I go over it with the comb side. I hope that makes sense. So I'll be using my satin scarf to tie my hair down in order to set my edges and my whole head of hair. So this is about 10 minutes later and I'll be taking off my scarf. Wow guys, can you see how sleek my hair is? To be honest, anytime I make a sleek low bun, I feel classy. It literally saves the day. You can never go wrong with a sleek low bun. So finally, I'll be accessorizing using these cute hairpins I got from AliExpress. Okay, I tried doing it myself, but I wasn't comfortable with the outcome. But it looks fine now though. Anyways, Glory helped me place these little cuties on my hair. So guys, that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe if you're yet to. So I'll be posting hair content on this channel at intervals, as well as skincare content. I'm sure you don't want to miss that. So subscribe with your notifications on before clicking away. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.